Kismile countertop ice maker machine with self-cleaning, 26 lbs 24H compact automatic ice maker, 9 cubes ready in 6 to 8 minutes. Portable ice cube maker, perfect for home, kitchen, office, bar. Black H compact ice maker in white applications. This countertop portable ice maker has white applications with compact size 13.9 D, 9.5 watts, 13H, inch.With portable and compact design. Our countertop ice maker is easy to carry and operate. It have white applications whenever and wherever you are. Ice is there.You. You can perfectly use it for bar, tea shop, KTV, kitchen and office. The efficient and quiet ice making. Our ice maker produces 9 ice cubes within only 6 to 8 minutes.It even can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day, which enables you to have fresh and good ice every day.Also, this is not a noisy. Our ice maker's countertop are equipped with a quick and quiet cooling system. This not only helps you save energy, but it also keeps Nugget ice machine cool and ensures a quiet environment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.